So I picked up a couple seats from the auto wreckers, and one had some pretty bad stains in here. This one has this stuff, not even sure what it is. Gross, can't believe I touched it. But it seems to be on top. And then here, it appears to be like stained inside the fabric itself. So I took some like carpet cleaner, Resolve, or maybe it's laundry detergent cleaner. I don't know what it is. It's called Resolve. I kind of pre-treated it with that. And then I took this concoction of laundry detergent and hot water, mixed that up into a spray bottle, and I sprayed it all down. And this is what I got. So I'm expecting this to turn very soapy, lathery, but we're going to see if we can get it clean, because I don't really want to get too carried away. The secret to this is this. You have your different nozzles here. Be careful. Don't use this guy. You will put holes in your upholstery. Don't use this guy. It's very aggressive. You can use this one, but I prefer to start with the Soaper, which is a large fan, if you will. So I'm going to fire this thing up and get going. Get my lovely wife to run camera. That was recording. Okay. All right. So here's what we got. We're done. This stain back here, it's all but gone. It actually feels like a little piece of bubble gum or something kind of stuck in there. I don't know if I'm going to get it better than that. But whatever's there is hard. The seat looks really good. It almost looks like it's got these lines in here, like somebody did this before with a pressure washer and kind of took a little bit of that away, which sucks. Our stains over here are all but gone. A little bit of a yellow tinge here. I'm okay with that. That's fine. I'll leave that. I don't want to get too greedy, but look at this red seat. Remember all the black goo that was here? Gone. Remember all the black guck in there? Gone. Like, you see a cruddy seat at the wreckers, don't think twice about it because of stains. Take it home, give her a good wash, or You don't even have to take it home. You can take it to the car wash. You know those, plop in a couple bucks at the car wash. Take it home, soak it overnight. I would anyway. I prefer it that way. Put some laundry soap on it. Put some laundry treater on it. What's that? Resolve. Was that laundry treater?
Yes. Stain remover.
Yeah. So stain remover. Pre-soak it with that for a bit, and then take your laundry soap and water, put it in a spray bottle, soak everything down so that it lathers up when you hit it. Because that lather, that's what takes all the dirt away. It will actually make it float into the soap. Anyway, there's a quick one, quick and dirty, just like me. All right, so that's gonna do it for this one. Real quick one. Getting these seats clean. If you can buy these at the wreckers for 50 or 60 bucks and bring it home and scrub her down, it's time well spent, in my opinion anyway. This one's going to go in my 66. That one I might just put up for sale because now I don't have a use for it. That was going to be my backup, but this one's going to go in instead. Sure, like, share, and subscribe. All right, that's going to do it for this one. Thanks, guys.